Demystifying wood types is one of the most powerful steps any maker can take toward transforming simple upcycling projects into high-value decor that truly sells. Because the success of a finished piece is rarely determined by design alone, but by the material chosen at the very beginning. When working with reclaimed wood, especially pieces sourced from pallets, demolition sites, old barns, or discarded furniture, understanding the inherent properties of each wood type allows creators to move beyond guesswork and into intentional craftsmanship. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The density, grain pattern, hardness, stability, and workability of wood all influence not only how a project is built, but how it performs over time and how it is perceived in the marketplace. Selecting the optimal wood for upcycling is therefore both a technical and strategic decision, shaping durability, aesthetics, and ultimately profitability. Reclaimed pallet pine, for example, is often one of the most accessible materials for beginners entering the world of upcycled decor. Pine is generally soft, lightweight, and relatively easy to cut, sand, and shape, making it forgiving for those refining their skills. Its grain tends to be straight with subtle knots that add rustic charm, aligning well with farmhouse or casual modern aesthetics. However, because pine is softer than many hardwoods, it can dent or scratch more easily, which influences its best applications. When used for wall art, decorative shelving, small accent tables, or lightweight storage units, pallet pine performs beautifully, especially when reinforced with thoughtful joinery. Its light tone also accepts stains and finishes readily, allowing creators to achieve a wide range of looks from natural Scandinavian minimalism to darker, more dramatic finishes. Understanding these characteristics ensures that pine is chosen not for heavy-load structural furniture, but for pieces where its workability and charm become strengths rather than weaknesses. In contrast, salvaged oak represents a different category of reclaimed wood, offering density, strength, and a pronounced grain that immediately elevates perceived value. Oak's durability makes it ideal for furniture pieces that must endure daily use, such as dining tables, benches, bed frames, or solid shelving systems. Its grain patterns are often bold and visually dynamic, adding texture and depth that appeal to buyers seeking premium craftsmanship. Because oak is harder and heavier than pine, it demands sharper tools and more deliberate shaping techniques, but this added effort translates into a finished product with exceptional longevity. When upcycled thoughtfully, oak communicates solidity and refinement, qualities that justify higher pricing and attract discerning customers who appreciate authentic hardwood furniture. The decision to use oak rather than a softer wood can dramatically shift a project's market positioning, turning a simple concept into a high-end offering. Beyond pine and oak, reclaimed hardwoods such as maple, walnut, or ash frequently appear in salvaged furniture and architectural elements, each bringing distinct advantages. Maple, known for its fine, consistent grain and pale color, provides a clean, modern aesthetic that complements minimalist interiors. It is hard and durable, making it suitable for tabletops, countertops, and decorative panels that require resilience. Walnut, with its rich, dark tones and elegant grain movement, immediately conveys luxury. Even small walnut accents integrated into an upcycled project can elevate the overall design, creating contrast and visual interest. Ash offers flexibility and strength, often displaying attractive grain patterns that respond well to both natural and stained finishes. Recognizing these characteristics allows creators to match material to design intention rather than forcing unsuitable wood into roles it cannot sustain. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Material properties dictate project success not only structurally but visually. Grain direction influences how a piece feels when viewed from different angles, and thoughtful alignment of boards can enhance harmony within a design. A floating shelf composed of boards with consistent grain flow appears cohesive and intentional, while mismatched grain can feel chaotic unless deliberately arranged for artistic effect. Stability also plays a critical role, especially in reclaimed wood that may have been exposed to varying moisture conditions. Understanding how different wood species respond to humidity and temperature changes helps prevent warping or cracking after installation. Proper acclimatization, careful milling, and sealing techniques preserve structural integrity and ensure long-term performance, reinforcing the professionalism of the finished piece. Workability further shapes the upcycling process. Softer woods may allow intricate carving or quick shaping, encouraging experimentation and creativity. Hardwoods, though more demanding, reward precision with crisp edges and refined surfaces. Knowing how each wood responds to sanding, drilling, and finishing prevents frustration and waste. For instance, oak's open grain may require filler for ultra-smooth finishes, while maple's tight grain often produces sleek surfaces with minimal preparation. These subtle differences influence both workflow efficiency and final appearance, ultimately affecting how a product is perceived by buyers. Selecting the right wood also contributes to storytelling, a vital component of decor that sells. Buyers increasingly value transparency and sustainability, and being able to identify the origin and type of reclaimed wood adds authenticity. A coffee table crafted from salvaged oak beams sourced from a historic structure carries emotional weight. Wall art made from pallet pine rescued from shipping crates embodies resourcefulness and environmental awareness. These narratives enhance desirability, differentiating handmade pieces from mass-produced alternatives. The material itself becomes part of the design language, communicating history, resilience, and intention. In profitable upcycling, aligning wood choice with market demand strengthens business sustainability. Modern interiors often favor clean lines and natural finishes, making lighter woods attractive for contemporary spaces. Rustic or industrial themes may call for weathered oak or distressed pine that retains visible imperfections. By understanding these trends and the materials that best express them, creators can craft decor that resonates with specific audiences. A reclaimed oak dining table may command a premium price in urban loft settings, while minimalist maple wall shelves appeal to compact apartments seeking understated elegance. Durability remains central to long-term value. Furniture and decor must withstand everyday use without compromising beauty. Hardwoods generally provide superior resistance to wear, making them ideal for high-traffic items. However, thoughtful design can enhance softer woods as well, using reinforcement techniques and protective finishes to extend lifespan. Combining species strategically, such as pairing a hardwood frame with softer decorative panels, optimizes both cost and performance. This balanced approach maximizes material efficiency while maintaining structural integrity. Ultimately, demystifying wood types empowers creators to make informed decisions that elevate upcycling from simple reuse to refined craftsmanship. Rather than treating reclaimed wood as interchangeable scraps, skilled makers recognize the unique qualities each species offers. By matching material properties to project goals, they transform discarded pieces into durable, stylish furniture and art that hold genuine market value. Understanding grain, hardness, stability, and workability ensures that each creation not only looks beautiful, but performs reliably, reinforcing trust and reputation. In this way, selecting the right wood becomes more than a technical step. It becomes the foundation of sustainable design, artistic expression, and profitable success in the evolving landscape of upcycled decor. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.